Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pre Study TV. My name is Prishpal Singh. This is my first blog, and on this channel, I'm going to start study blog as well as I will try to help you all those are preparing for any examination for competitive exams or those who want to improve their English language. I am also preparing for competition exams. As you know, we face a lot of problems while studying, and whenever we are, going to start our study, we face a big problem that we don't have sometimes ideas about how to make daily routines, how to, you know, set routines for study. So, so after this video, I will upload one or two videos every week in which I will try to help you a bit about study routines, and if I am able to give you any suggestion or help related to your preparation, related to your study exams, whatever, I will try my best. So guys, I have a little request. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. And in this video, that's all about my future plannings about blogs and education. So thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.